Welcome, welcome, welcome to We're Not Just Surviving, We Are Thriving. And happy 2025, you guys. We made it. We made it to another year. God has blessed us and been so good to all of us. I just want to thank Him for it. And I want to say to you guys, as we are trying to thrive and not survive, stop procrastinating about your health. It will catch up with you. You will pay now or pay later, but stop it. We are trying to prevent versus find a cure. Which one do you want to choose? Either prevention or cure. It's your choice. You can prevent disease by taking simple steps, drinking more water, exercising outside like I am, getting the fresh air, a little bit of sunshine. You can take the steps to prevent disease, or you can wait until it comes upon you, until it happens, and try to find a cure. And then it's almost too late because you have damaged your organs, and it takes so much to try to come back to regain health. So while you are healthy, while you can thrive, continue to find prevention to start preventing. Stop procrastinating. It's a new year, a new year. It's 2025, a new you. We are trying to thrive and not survive. So you choose. Stop it. Just stop procrastinating. You know you need to drink more water. Start drinking no more water. You know you need to cut back on fried food. Start cutting back now. Do something today. Today is the day. No other day. Don't put it off till tomorrow. Stop procrastinating. You want to prevent, or do you want to try to have a cure? I'm thriving, so I want to prevent. I'm doing all the things, trying to take all the steps to prevent disease versus trying to scramble around and find a cure when it hits me. So I am encouraging you, calling you to do the same that I'm doing. Thrive in health, not survive in health. It's your choice. God bless.